Drivers. Oh, what did I? Oh my God. We were witnesses. Right there. Oh, crap. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God! Look, he threw a cigarette and now the grass is catching on fire.
Wow. You want some water? My whatever, and I'm like, well, Chris will look at it. He's showing.
That was a red light.
Yeah, that wasn't your fault. Nice stop. He's showing.
That was a red light.
Yeah, that wasn't your fault. Nice stop.
My car normally would do it by itself, but I saw him. Whew.
Yeah, well, thank you, because we didn't want to be T-boned, so good job.
That would have been me right there. Me and him.
Okay, well, I use the collective we. But I didn't want to be T-boned either, even though I'm
Yeah, no.
I'm suddenly rethinking my whole position on seatbelts in the back seat. So I just fly forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, good looking out. That guy was trying to kill us.
Well,
Live another day.
say hello to YouTube. That will go in there.
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Are doing the very thing they like think your husband is doing, which is to say like infantilizing you, and using your age as an excuse to say inappropriate shit to you.
Manual recording will now start.
I'm sure that would be a good excuse to say inappropriate shit to you.
Manual recording will now start.
I'm sure
That would be a good comeback.
Yeah, I'm sure they wouldn't appreciate your pointing that out.
Lauren!
Okay.
Stop it! You have to call 911. Do not get out of the car.
He deliberately hit me.
Stop! 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 Stop!
C2.
For EMI, the only force with a solo record company, with a major record company. And you might have seen him because he toured here with the ACO some years ago. Fabulous musician.
Wow, another one. Honestly, I just pulled out of the road where someone reverses into me, and with headphones in, can't even hear me beeping. It's just drifting across into my lane. So within 5 minutes, I've had a woman reverse into me, and then a woman almost sideswiped me. Unbelievable. Did you even see or hear me then? Did you even see me back there?
Sorry?
Did you even see me back there?
What are you talking about?
You just about sideswiped me. I've got it on camera.
Oh, were you the truck off the main road?
It wasn't a truck. I was next to you in the left lane, and you just come straight across on me.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't
And I'm beeping at you. You've got headphones in. You obviously can't even
No,
hear.
I could hear you, that's why I pulled away. It
Did
wasn't
you even
accident.
see me? I'm just like cruising along in that lane, and you just about
It was
sideswiped
a
me.
blind spot because I was turning and then I veered left.
Maybe you do a head check. Honestly, I just had a woman back into me 5 years ago at a stop sign, reversed straight into me, and then you nearly sideswiped me.
I'm sorry, I've never had an accident in my life.
Oh, just, yeah, be careful. You scared the crap out of me.
I'm sorry, it was
Okay.
an accident.
I put a dash cam in today, and within 5 minutes, I think it's about 5 minutes, I'll check the footage, I had a woman back into me, and a woman almost sideswiped me, and had I not stayed hanging off the horn, she may not have even got back into her lane. So maybe I'm safer without a dash cam, because without the dash cam I don't generally have any problems, and I'm not driving any different or trying to attract these morons. So she said it was sorry, it's an accident, but I think the only accident is that somebody let her drive on the road is the accident or the tragedy here. Anyway, I'm going to post this because this is maybe a reason not to have a dash cam, if that's even possible.
Sunshine comes and people are...
Nope, they're stupid all the time.
No, they're just getting more stupider in the sunshine.
No, it's just because of the sunshine, there's more people out on the road, so you see more stupidity. Hello, there's a big old truck there, you dummy. You open your eyes and turn your head. My God. At least you think about the people around you, though, that are coughing and stuff, and you're like...
Yeah.
Not even looking.
No,
She didn't even look.
she didn't. I saw her.
Yeah. Hey, she almost hit that car. My God.
Get us out of here, honey. Get us to Terrell.
Get us away from her, at least.
Yeah.
Has led to the changing of countless lives because of the work his charity does. And
You want to get in there, Lane? You
prosthetics
go
for
right ahead.
amputees, regardless how the injuries happen, and it talks about the... An important message from President Obama to all potentially unemployed Americans and undocumented nannies. WCAT, good traffic. It is heavy as you move along 75 Central Expressway in Dallas. That northbound side, they've been doing some construction around Forest and Royal. you find a rat tail in your caviar, right? Well, okay, look, honey, it's just the second time. I mean, so it's a rat tail. It's a smaller tail this time. And you're going back for a third or fourth time. Are you going to go in and just yum the caviar? Are you going to look at this? Come on, I don't want rat tail.